1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory.
Ha kasngi rakhe yak National Sports Day ulat ka Jylla CH Vijay Shankar ula ai ka Jingkhiah yaki khina NCC Haraino Auditorium Shillong Halor ka Jingdon kam ya ka Jingkoit Jingkhiah bat ka Jingeshim benta jongki khina NCC ha ka bayadei bat ki Jingjulor babun ulat ula ai ru ya ka Jingero sha ka NCC na ka benta ka Jingpynkhreh jongki mentala nyopun rius nem bat Banjur Banjur ba ka Jingpynkhreh jong kini ki khena ha ki por ki ba e kan long ka jingerap ka ba kongsan ha ka imlang salang bat bakan ai mensim bat jingada wat ha ki por ki Jingjulor jong kamariang.
6 years, the National Cadet Corps has been an inspiration of the selfless service, shaping the youth of our nation into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizen. One of the critical areas where your training, we believe, invaluable in the disaster management. Meghalaya, with its unique topography, is prone to natural calamities like floods, landslides, and earthquakes. Your ability to respond quickly in times of crisis will not only to save their lives, but it will also reinforce the trust and confidence that the community places in NCC.
E principal Kaminkan Christian High